What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Eksa RGB headset stand. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. So let me begin by unboxing it and telling you a little bit more about this stand. So this is going to require installation. There are screws included with this headphone stand. I'm not sure why I'm having a hard time opening it, but there we go. So once you open it up and you take this out, this is the box that you see here. And there you go. So these are the screws that I'm telling you about. I'm going to take them out in just a second. And then this is the user manual. And let's see what else you get. So this stand does operate using USB-C. And then on the other end is the USB that you're going to connect to your device or whatever device you're using the headset with. And then, like I already mentioned, the user manual. And then you also get a mini screwdriver so you can install these mini screws into the headset stand. Now let's see what else you get. You have here your headset stand base. Now this is made out of plastic, but it still has a little bit of weight to it and it feels pretty sturdy. Putting that aside, finally you have the headphone stand itself, and now this is made out of metal. It's a little bit dirty for some reason here, but yep, this is made out of metal, as you can hear. Now, as far as the installation process, it's very straightforward. You take your headphone stand itself and then you align it with the holes on the base. So we're just going to do that now, and as you can see, it is all lined up. Now, with the screws, they give you 5 screws, but you only need 4. And that is because in case you lose one, you have an extra one to use. Now that I installed the headphone stand itself, let me give you a walk around of the base. So you have 2 USB 2.0 ports. You have one right here, and then you have one right here. Then you also have a 3.5 millimeter jack. That's a 2-in-1 for your mic and sound. This is just for your sound, and then this is just for your mic. So you have several options. And then back here, you have a place for your USB-C cable that you're gonna connect to power on the headphone stand. Now, let me do that now so I can give you a walkthrough of the RGB lights. Now, I have gone ahead and turned off some of the lights in my studio so I can show you the RGB light settings here. Now, right here, you have this symbol for your fingerprint. And what that means is that if you tap on it, you begin activating the RGB lights. So I'm going to turn off the camera light and I'm going to show you this now. So as you can see, the first setting is that it's gradually shifting between different colors. And then another setting is red, green, blue, I guess that's purple, pinkish, something like that. Then you have yellow. And then this is sort of a teal color, and then just white LED. And then this is, again, shifting between different colors. And then finally, you have off. Personally, that's my favorite setting. The final really cool feature of this headphone stand is that if you plug in your analog headphones, which means wired headphones, into any one of these jacks, except the microphone one, but one of these two, is that it turns it into a 7.1 surround sound headphone, which is super cool if you're trying to experience that surround sound experience when you're gaming or using your headphone for really anything such as movies, whatever the case may be. One thing I would like to add about the 7.1 surround sound feature is that if you're trying to use it with your PC, you have to go to Eksa's website and download a sound driver to your PC in order for it to work. So definitely keep that in mind. And as far as the link, I'm going to leave that in the description below. Now it's time for me to share with you my thoughts about this headphone stand and whether I think it's worth it or not. Now this goes for $26 on Amazon, but there's currently a 20% off coupon that you can apply to it. But assuming there is no 20% coupon, I think this headphone stand is still worth it. And the reason why is I purchased a very basic headphone stand about a couple months ago for my AirPods Max, and they were $10. So if you think about it, for about $11 to $12 more, you're getting a headphone stand that features RGB lighting, 2 USB ports so you can utilize it to charge other things around you, other small devices, and you're also getting the ability to transform any analog or wired headphones to a 7.1 surround sound headphones. Now these are pretty cool features, only for $11 or $12 more. It is absolutely worth it in my opinion. So this was my unboxing and review of the Eksa RGB headphone stand. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.